Hi, I'm Scott Markwood, Training Coordinator at Hafele America Company.
And I'm Daniel Tripp, Product Manager for all things kitchen related here at Hafele America.
Now we're in the Learning Center today and we're about to install a 3/4 Lazy Susan on a tripod. Now if you've got one of these to install, you want to make sure you have your mounting instructions and the handy template that's included with it.
Let's get started.
First, we want to confirm that the trays we're using are the correct size for the opening of our cabinet. Next, we're going to find the location of something called a catch line. That line is where we're going to position the template in the cabinet. You'll want to measure and determine the location of either K or C using the mounting instructions, depending on whether you're installing in a frameless or a face frame cabinet. If your opening dimension changes, those K or C dimensions also change, so pay careful attention. We'll use the template to find the location of the tripod base screw holes. We'll pre-drill those holes. Next, we install the post, paying attention to orient the hole at the bottom, into which we'll be installing the pin, according to the instructions on the template. Press the bottom tray bearing in place over the pin. Install the bottom tray, and then install the top tray bearing assembly using a pin in one of the top holes. Last, we install the top tray, and verify that the tray opening aligns with the opening of the cabinet. If it does, you're good to go. If not, adjust the alignment so that both tray positions match the cabinet opening. We hope you found this Hafele video helpful. Good luck with your installation, and thanks for watching.